Hi everybody and welcome back to Zabbix tutorial, the video series focused on Zabbix, the enterprise class monitoring solution for everyone. This is always Rosario Antoci speaking. Today I will show you how to set up the Zabbix agent for Windows system. Okay. First thing to do is to download the binaries of Zabbix Agent for Windows system from Zabbix official website, zabbix.com. Click on download on top right of the menu and scroll down the page until you find Zabbix precompiled agents and download the 3.2 version of the Zabbix Agent for Windows system. Maybe you could ask yourself, what if I downloaded a previous version of Zabbix Agent? Well, Zabbix will still work because it's compatible with all the previous Zabbix agents, but the available features depend on the version of the Zabbix agent you are using. Now we'll extract the content of the zip we downloaded before into a new directory called Zabbix and we'll put it on C path for simplicity. Now we need to move the files we are interested in, the Zabbix agent configuration and the Zabbix agent for 64-bit architecture in my case, to simplify command line operation. Let's open the Zabbix agent configuration file with a text editor, Notepad++ in our case, and let's modify the fields server and server active with the IP address of the Zabbix server in use. In hostname field, we need to focus a little bit, because if we keep this field undefined, the Zabbix agent will be used the hostname item key system.hostname by default, and the hostname will be the FQDN of the Windows host. We are almost ready to see our Zabbix agent in action. But to avoid any issues or restriction related due to firewall settings, let's check the inbound connection of the Windows firewall. In my case, I need to enable the ECMP protocol for IPv4 to permit the communication between the Zabbix server and the host I want to monitor. Another things we need to set up is the exception rule for the Zabbix agent binary file, always in Windows Firewall settings. So, let's start the Zabbix agent from command line. To do so, let's open the command prompt from the Zabbix agent path C Zabbix and launch the executable of the Zabbix agent with the flag -help. Now let's start the Zabbix agent in foreground with -f and -c to specify the configuration file in Unix style. Now that the Zabbix agent is started, we see that in square brackets is specified the FQDN regarding our Windows host. So the Zabbix agent is running, so we can manage directly our monitoring from the Zabbix server web frontend. We can make a host, but we should remember that we need to specify the correct host name we saw previously from the Zabbix agent output. We could create another host groups called Windows host and specify the IP address of the Windows host we want to monitor. After that, we need to create an item called Windows Services Running with type Zabbix Agent Active. From the pop-up windows, we should select the key services, but we need to specify only the second parameter because we want to monitor only the running services. So we need to keep the first comma as placeholder for the first parameter, and we add running as a second parameter and avoid the other settings because we want them as default. The value we are waiting for is a text. So we need to wait the 120 seconds as we saw in the previous tutorial. But let's use this time to talk about Zabbix agent features on Windows. Zabbix can do many sharp checks in Microsoft Windows hosts, and we'll see in the next videos using the performance counter and the WMI Windows Management Instrumentation support. We have the possibility to monitor specific Windows services, automatic discovery, and analyze event system logs. For these and other features, I remind you to connect to the Zabbix documentation. We need to wait less than a minute. And now we got it. We have the value captured as text, showing the Zabbix services running. Our task is completed, but if the host will reboot, we lose all checks provided by the Zabbix agent. To avoid this situation, we need to install the Zabbix agent permanently as Windows service with the flag -i from the command prompt. After that, we need to verify on services that the service Zabbix agent will start automatically. we need to search Zabbix Agent, and the agent will start automatically. I hope you find this video useful. If so, give us a like or comment in the correct section. If you want to be up to date for next videos, please subscribe, and that's it. See you on the next video, and happy monitoring!